Well, hello, everybody. Thanks for joining us again. It's Ian and Wendy here from Cloud 2020. And today we're going to talk about the application formerly known as Dynamics 365 Marketing, now known as Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys, as opposed to Customer Insights Data, which is a different beast, but is the previous incarnation, really, of Customer Insights. Do you think that's a fair assessment there?
I think that's accurate. Yes. So marketing now called insights, insights still called insights, but both. So marketing brackets journeys, data insights brackets data.
You're right. Yeah. You're right. Yes. Let's go with that. Let's go with
We'll
that.
go with that.
We're here to inform and entertain. That's more on the entertainment side. So Dynamics 365 Marketing, it's licensed differently. Customer Insights Journeys, it's licensed differently to the usual Dynamics 365 licenses, isn't it?
Yeah. So the good news is you don't have to worry about the number of users using it. It's tenant wide. So you deploy it, and you then decide who has access to it. So that makes it slightly easier. It's therefore it's much more volume based subscription. And I think the key volume that we is always there is the number of people you're engaged with. So this is and the limit's 10,000 out of the for a standard subscription. So these are people that you are having a conversation with, not the amount of times you have a conversation with them, because you may send out informative emails to your customers every other month. You may send out 4 or 5 emails to a new potential lead or a customer in the first week. It doesn't matter, but those 2 people count as an individual each. So that's the fundamental 10,000 people that you are interacting with, having a conversation with of some sort. Now, what you can do is over the period of a year, at the end of a year, you can true up, which means you can true up or you true down. So you can recycle, you can drop off some of those people you're no longer having contact with. But big difference, one subscription with some volume in there, and that's how it's licensed. Slightly different.
Yeah, thank you. So I think also you can actually run this one as a standalone application, can't you? So you don't necessarily need to have it connected up to Dynamics 365 sales environment, for example.
No, absolutely, and it does work really well standalone, and we have customers that do that, and that makes sense for them. And so sometimes you may have customers that come straight in to do the marketing, and then perhaps bring in sales from another vendor at a later stage, bring that alongside, and then customer service as well, and so on, build out. And marketing is a good first step into the dynamic arena.
Yeah, but you can have an attached license with this as well, can't you? So the usual kind of caveat, you need 10 qualifying users of the correct license. The details are all in the link that we'll attach to this video later on. But I think it's interesting, this 10,000 pack is what you get with both of those. So your initial outlay includes those 10,000 emails, and this does actually make it different to the way that other third-party solutions are licensed, because most of the time you'll pay for the number of emails you're going to send, but they don't mind how many people you send it to. They might have tiers, but the way this works is actually you can have a number of contacts and you can send them as many as you like, and that's what's good about that, I think.
I think just going back to your bit about the attached license, that works really well. So if you've got fundamentally, if you've got 10 sales enterprise licenses, for example, you get a massive discount off the marketing.
Yeah.
And what that means is it's well worth just looking at how many, if you had 8 sales enterprise licenses, for example, it might be worth just buying 2 more licenses to get that discount. So it's worth looking at the math and seeing how that works out for you.
Yeah, and I suppose just before we close here, one of the other changes that's happened with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys, now that it's gone over to the Journeys, is that it is based around real-time marketing rather than just outbound marketing, which makes it a really powerful solution for people that may want to buzz over a product discount because they can see somebody has entered the right building and they know that they're there, and customer insights allows them to do this. So with the real-time marketing, so it's a really fully featured, powerful solution, I think.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So current customers will still see outbound marketing as an option, but new customers will only see real-time marketing. So very much about event triggers and what have you. So
Yeah,
people going to your website or whatever, making a purchase, that type of thing, can kick them off onto a journey. So it's all
yeah.
about the journey.
All right. And with that, I think we'll close for today. But as always, we're here if you've got questions, further questions about Dynamics 365, customer insights, journeys. It would be great if they started to shorten some of these things down and not call the same thing, not call two different things the same thing. But, you know, hey, we live in this world and we've navigated it for a few years yet. So we'll continue taking you on that journey with us. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Done.